Okay, so boom. I'm walking down the street. There's a woman sitting outside. She's on the phone talking to somebody. I can hear her, although I cannot see her. Now, as we come into line of vision with each other, she's talking about what her words were, what it means to be a husband to me. She was crying, so sad. I walked past her, and the next words out of her mouth were, "Fuck you." Now, she's on the phone. I am minding my business, crossing by the way. I also freshly smoked. You see how scary that is? I just imitated her, and the two men stopped what they were doing. Hello, guys. I'm not going to do nothing. They completely stopped in their tracks like, yo, what the fuck? What was that? So she went from so sad to immediately angry as hell. Now, she kept cursing, and at some point, I had to wonder, is she talking to me? Or is she just doing her thing on the phone? Angry at whoever she's on the phone with. I did stop, and I know 19. I'm not supposed to do that. I'm supposed to just keep walking. It is important that I just keep walking. Right. Because if I'm going to break isolation, why do I want to do it in confrontation so bad? Yo, I can't lie. I think right now I feel like I wish she was talking to me. Don't so many of you gossipers hate me? Don't you want to fight? Don't y'all want to like put hands on me? This is my issue. I developed an endorphin rush around being physically attacked. It happens so often, but I kept prevailing. Haha. Now I enjoy it. Please tell me you're a transgressor. Start it up while I was minding my business. Please do it again. I don't know, maybe I just want to feel like I still got it, or that I haven't slipped because I haven't been training like the way that I used to train. I move around and stuff.